Automotive customers are very sensitive to quality. If a service isn't perfect, don't expect them to stick around. That means customer satisfaction is key to success in the aftermarket, and the expectations suppliers have to meet are very high. We excel at meeting those high expectations and even go above and beyond them. And how do we do this? There are several key factors for our success. For more than 40 years now, we have been working to develop a wide range of value-added services that help our customers enhance their business. We run warehouses with more than 100,000 spare parts and over 10,000 picks a day, while also providing transport and logistics services for OEMs directly. That makes us efficient and enables us to offer flexible services for our OEMs and repair shops. We also focus on optimizing workflows and managing volume fluctuations. Our labor management is both lean and efficient, enabling us to achieve top productivity rates. To guarantee highest quality standards, our operations adopt VDA standards and ISO norms on a global scale. We are committed to delivering outstanding services, and that includes offering up to 3 milk runs a day to make same-day repairs possible. By combining contract logistics and transport, we can offer all-in-one services, including comprehensive returns management. And what do we do to remain the aftermarket specialist for our customers? We make it a priority to train our people in line with the highest standards, while consistently investing in our dedicated innovation and quality programs. Our goal is clear: to provide the best aftermarket logistics to our customers worldwide.